In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring forward image in Wix. If you're editing your Wix website and one image is sitting behind another element, or it just isn't showing up the way you want, bringing it forward is a very quick fix. This is useful when you're working with overlapping images, text boxes, buttons, or decorative shapes, and you want to control which element appears on top. To get started, open your Wix editor and go to the page you want to work on. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can click and adjust the elements on the page. Once you're there, find the image that you want to move forward. Take a moment to click directly on that image so Wix knows that's the element you want to edit. After selecting the image, right-click on it to open the context menu. This menu gives you a few quick layout and positioning options. From that menu, hover your mouse over the Arrange option. When you do that, another small menu will appear with stacking choices for the selected image. Now simply click Bring Forward. As soon as you do that, the image will move one layer up in front of the element that was previously covering it. This is especially helpful if your image is partially hidden behind text, another image, or a design block. If it doesn't come all the way to the front on the first try, that usually means there are multiple layers stacked above it. So just keep in mind that Bring Forward moves it up one level at a time. And that's it. That's how you bring an image forward in Wix. A small tip while you're editing. After moving elements around, it's always a good idea to take a quick look at the page layout to make sure everything still looks aligned and clean. Sometimes changing the layer order can affect how the design feels visually, especially if several items overlap in the same section. If this is part of a larger design update, you may also want to preview the page afterward just to confirm the image appears exactly where you want it. But for the actual action itself, the process is simple. Select the image, right-click, go to Arrange, and choose Bring Forward. That's the full process, and now you know exactly how to do it in just a few seconds inside Wix.